In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix secure connection failed in Mozilla Firefox. If you're seeing the secure connection failed error in Firefox, it usually means the browser is having trouble establishing a secure connection with a website. This can happen for several reasons, including incorrect system time settings, VPN or proxy interference, or corrupted browsing data. Fortunately, there are a few simple things you can check that may resolve the problem. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's start by checking your computer's date and time settings. Incorrect date or time settings can prevent Firefox from validating website security certificates properly, which may trigger secure connection errors. To do this, move to the bottom right corner of your screen and locate the clock on the Windows taskbar. Right-click the clock and select Adjust Date and Time. Once the settings page opens, make sure the option labeled Set Time Automatically is turned on. After confirming that setting, click the Sync Now button to update your computer's clock with the correct time from Microsoft's servers. Once you've done that, return to Firefox and try loading the website again. If the issue persists, the next thing to check is whether you're using a VPN. Some VPN services can occasionally interfere with secure website connections. If you currently have a VPN enabled, temporarily turn it off and then refresh the web page to see if the error disappears. If you're not using a VPN, or disabling it doesn't help, the next step is to check your proxy settings in Firefox. Click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of Firefox and select Settings. Inside the Settings page, use the search box and type Network. Scroll down until you find the Network Settings section and open the Advanced Settings. If Firefox is configured to use a proxy server, select No Proxy temporarily and click OK to save the change. Afterward, restart Firefox and test the website again. If the secure connection error still appears, the final step is to clear Firefox's stored browsing data. Return to Settings and navigate to Privacy and Security. Locate the Cookies and Site Data section and choose Clear Data. This will remove temporary cached files, cookies, and other stored website data that may be causing conflicts. Confirm the action, then reload the page and try visiting the website again. In many cases, clearing this data resolves connection issues and allows secure websites to load normally. After completing these steps, the secure connection failed error should be resolved, and you should be able to browse the affected website without any problems. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,